organic social media platforms are dead, right? Well, I partially agree with this because I agree that lot of the platforms or most of the platforms have organic reach which has almost close to dead. But there is still one platform which can give you insane organic reach. Any guesses? I'm sure you got it. It's LinkedIn. LinkedIn is still a mecca for people who are trying to leverage the organic reach of the platform. LinkedIn still generates millions of views for my profile personally and millions of views for students. Now, you'll be like, who are the students? Who am I? What am I talking about? Hey guys, my name is Vaibhav Sisanthi. I'm the founder of Growth School and I'm also a growth hacker and a mentor. By the way, in the last few years, I've managed to scale my own LinkedIn to over 250 million views on my content, which is around 300,000 followers on LinkedIn. And on top of that, thousands of my students have been getting insane traction on LinkedIn. More than 50,000 people have taken the program that I'm talking about right now. And if you are someone who's keen to build a personal brand on LinkedIn, and if you might ask why personal brand, because personal brand might result in you getting recognition and on top of that generate leads and jobs as well. And all of this excites you, all you have to do is click on the link below. Check out the program that we have built on LinkedIn. I'm very sure once you go through the content, look at the testimonials, you'll be very excited to join. At least I am excited to see you on the other side.